Namaste all. I am Dr. Mahjubin. I have done my MD in Ayurveda, working here in Parasnath Attapur, also known as Spine and Knee Expert Ayurveda Clinic in Attapur. Here we are treating all joint problems, special arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, frozen shoulder, cervical and lumbar spondylitis, tendinitis, synovitis, post-viral infections, other knee injuries like meniscus and ligament tears, and other all ankle problems, all joint problems. Calcaneal spur, plantar fasciitis, tendinosis, tennis elbow, all we treat here. Are you suffering from symptoms of bone pain or muscle pain or neurological symptoms like numbness, tingling, all these we treat with our specialized research-based SRDP treatment. Surgery is not only the option for grade 4 osteoarthritis or spine problems, where surgery is not needed for all the joint problems. Like here we do reconstruction of your joint. The reconstruction of joint contains in 4 stages. First we detoxify your body, detoxification of your body, where we reduce your inflammation of joints. Later we go for strengthening, where we strengthen your parts of the knee, parts of all joints like muscles, tendons, ligaments, all we strengthen by our specialized procedures and specialized oil-based, research-based treatment, which is safe and effective. Later, we do metabolic recorrection, where we improve your overall digestion. Overall digestion means in Ayurveda, digestion is not only limited to your gut, but all the tissues, everywhere digestion is happening. Your tissues are formed by proper digestion. Thus, we improve your overall metabolism. Thus, we are improving your overall health. I have seen many patients with non-operated knee is working more better than the operated knee. Even after 1 to 2 years of physiotherapy, the effect will be the same. So, but before choosing the surgery, you can go for this procedure. Okay. Then last stage of the treatment is regeneration, where after metabolic correction, strengthening, we do regeneration of your joint, where we regenerate the damaged part of your joints. Damaged part of your joint like synovial fluid will be regenerated, cartilage will be regenerated, meniscus will be repaired, and your ligaments will be repaired. These are the 4 stages of our treatment. What is a patient responsibility is you have to follow a proper recommended diet, and you have to take a prescribed medicines, and you have to visit every day to clinic for 2 hours of our therapy. You have to make available for 2 hours in a day for our treatment, 1.5 hour of treatment plus traveling. With proper diet, safe and effective medicines without side effects, and your therapy, we are reconstructing your joint. So, before choosing any steroids or painkiller or surgery, do try our SRDP treatment, which is scientific reversal detox process, where we are reconstructing and healing your joints with natural and effective, side effect free treatment. It is an integrated treatment of Ayurveda therapies plus physiotherapy. We do take help of physiotherapy while strengthening your muscles, joints, and ligament. We do holistic approach and holistic healing through physiotherapy plus our Ayurveda treatment. Different kits based on your stage of detoxification, strengthening, metabolic recorrection, and regeneration. We use different kits and different treatments. So, before choosing steroids, painkillers, or your surgery, you can choose natural, safe, and effective SRDP treatment with Ayurveda experts and our expert Parasnath Specialty Clinic at Attapur Pillar 122. So, for your all joint problems, choose safe, effective, and research-based SRDP